pleasure to introduce the lovely Pat Williams. And this is Anita Sanchez who set her up. Pat was helping get a house ready for a very posh lunch party when she had a bit of a problem with our specially rigged Hoover. Instead of sucking, it started blowing. Pat's arrived to help out with our posh ladies' dinner party. First step, a spot of vacuuming.
Do a bit of vacuuming. Right. I started, but I'm in too much of a flap,
I'll do
I'm afraid.
that
That's marvellous. If you could just, I mean, obviously the most important area is over here.
Right.
If you could just sort of start along here. This is the vacuum cleaner. Now, it's not mine.
No.
It's a bit industrial, as you can see.
Yeah.
I think it's quite straightforward, though.
OK.
Right, so I'll just pop out and, get cracking. There's the dusting. I can't think that there's anything else you need to know.
No.
All right, so I think you've got everything sorted.
Yeah, it's all plugged in.
Right, I shall see you as quickly as I can. OK? Thanks a lot.
That's all right.
Bye, Pat.
So Pat gets to work with our specially rigged vacuum cleaner. Just see what happens next. Stand by for a dinner party disaster. Pat can't turn the machine off because we're operating it by remote control. Pat thinks she's turned it off. She's wrong. Pat's off, leaving the messy food behind. But she's going to bump into our posh lady, who's none too happy.
It's coming out of here.
Well, what have you done?
Nothing.
You're sure you've done nothing?
Not on my life.
But
I've never seen anything. Watch. In a minute, it just starts up on its own. The plug won't come in. Here, look. You switch it on from that. Now you watch.
I daren't. I mean,
I can't believe it. I can't.
Well, I've hired it from special occasions. That's what it's called. Do you know them?
Never. No, it's the first time.
Oh,
I know.
You've got to do something. If you can get maybe a duster or something and start sort of getting some of the stuff off the food. I made the tara last night. It's homemade. I can't bear it. Can't you sort of... Oh, I don't know what to say. Because here we're all right. We've got sort of 3 clear spaces here. Try and... I haven't got time to make another tara.
It's all covered in dirt.
It's all covered in... Well, if we can just clean it away and then maybe dust the avocado and forget the... Don't worry about the tablecloth, just it's the food. I know it's ruined and they're due in 45 minutes. Oh. Well, the olives are still all right, aren't they? They're here. Just get rid of the bits of ash or something, tip them out.
I don't know if I'm dreaming this.
No.
There's nothing you can do. It's all got to be thrown away.
Well, just flip over the top. At least if you just flip over the top, then we can throw it away.
Flip over the top.
Yes, that's right.
Carpet.
Well, yes. I mean, the carpet's ruined anyway, isn't it? See, I phoned up special occasions, which is
I can't believe
the
it.
agency that I've hired you from.
Enter Beadle, the vacuum repairman.
Special occasions?
Yes.
Never.
What?
Oh, it's not! Oh, I'm going to be the laughing stock of Cranham.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pat Williams.